This is a program to do the milling operation on the wheel hub, or one part of the wheel hub. The program is all loaded in the machine. I need to press a couple of buttons and it should start up. First operation is a 5mm drill, drilling 4 holes at the starting point of the arcs that are cut by a milling cutter. The milling cutter is not centre cutting, or cannot be relied upon to be centre cutting. So these holes are drilled to assist the cutter on its downward path into the material before it cuts the arc. These are the 4 starting points for the 4 individual arcs that are cut into the piece. Now stopping for a tool change. This is a spotting drill, 90-degree spotting drill. This is going to drill the starting point for a 1.6mm drill, which is going to be tapped M2 for the screws that fix the 2 centre hubs together. It will be evident at the end of the program. I'll show you the 2 that bolt together, screw together. Now wants another tool change. Time now for the 1.6 drill. It now follows the same path as the spotting drill did, so if there are any inaccuracies in the ball screws, will be taken care of by the same direction of travel for each drilling. The material is 6082 T6 in this instance. Now moving to a tool change position again. Tool now is a 3-flute milling cutter. Carbide. It's cutting dry. You see now it's plunging into the material to cut the full 2mm depth. The feed rate is quite conservative. It saves moving the plates on its fixings, and it also helps prevent a lot of burrs being thrown up. unless you've got a brand new cutter, in which case you can run it faster. But 2000 RPM is the maximum spindle speed on this machine, so it does rather limit the traversing speed. For this job it's just running at 60mm per minute. Tool is now clear of the work so that we can get in there and remove the tool, get it out of the way, release the fixings. Pop the piece off so that you can see there what's been achieved. And this makes up with another piece here. It's got the same. And there's a 3D printed centerpiece that's fitted that extends proud from these, a greater diameter, that acts as a tyre. These pieces need countersinking so that the M2 countersunk screws are recessed flush with this surface. So that's another operation to do on these parts. The two pieces. That's all. Thanks for watching.